Hey, this is Manny Fresh with another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to cash out with Cashapp. So Cashapp is a well-known application where you can send money to your friends as payments, and that money could be deposited to your account. So a lot of people have issues depositing to the account, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. So first things first, go ahead and open the app. Currently I have $17.06 as a balance. So what you want to do is you want to click on the left side where you see the profile icon, and the first thing you need to look for is make sure that you have your account set up. So I have my SunTrust Bank, so if this is the first time you downloaded the app, you want to set that up first. Otherwise you won't be able to deposit the money. Now if you don't have any bank, if you are from outside the United States or you just don't have a bank, they do offer a cash card that you could use as a debit card, so that money will get deposited to that cash card and it will act as your debit card basically. So you can set that up and order that with them, and once you get that set up, then I'm gonna show you now how to transfer the money. Alright, so basically you go back to the main screen, and what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on the money. Let me do that one more time. You click on your balance there on the top. It's gonna show you how much money you got, and basically on the bottom you'll see cash out or add cash. So I'm ready to cash out. I'm gonna cash out there. So currently I have $17.06 available. I'm just gonna go ahead and cash out about $5. So they offer two options. You could do a standard cash out, you could do instant cash out, and based on how much you transfer, they'll charge you a fee based on that amount. And the money would basically go to the account instantaneously if you do instant. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do instant. And it says that your money was deposited to your account. Now I've seen where some banks, you set up your bank in the app and it doesn't let you do instant transfer, or people having issues getting any money into their bank account. I would suggest calling your bank and see if it's compatible with the app, or Cashapp has a FAQ or help section, and I'm gonna show you here of where you could go, and I'll put the link for you guys for all the questions that you may have, like how do I cancel a payment, what if my payment is missing, what if my money is not there, or even how to add the cash card. So I'm gonna put the link there so you can know more, and if this video didn't answer your question, please go ahead and visit that link so you can get more questions. Alright, so this is it for today. If you have any questions, any comments, leave them below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.